Well, we have four benefits that we look at. One is being faster to deploy services to our customers and to the mission stakeholders. So faster, deploying things faster, I think is a real benefit of the cloud. We call it better as well because in some missions and certain things that you are supporting, like for workloads that are more geared towards, like for example, the DoD Rapid Application Computing Environment for the warfighter, it's better in terms of how we can meet those mission needs. So we think better as well. So faster, better. And cheaper is obviously the goal because everyone budget cuts are coming, and so everyone's like previously we're even hesitating a little bit. They're looking at it and saying, oh well, hey, this cloud thing is pretty good. How much was the savings again? And can I rely on that? So all of a sudden they were kind of waiting in the on the fence, and now they're looking at cheaper. I think is another thing. Now, I'll just give you one caution on cheaper is that cheaper is a little bit harder to measure here because this is a pay-as-you-go service, and previously other acquisitions are more you pay for the year, and this is like pay-as-you-go. So to balance that out requires a little bit of apples and oranges sort of normalization. So, but nevertheless, cheaper is the goal. So in certain instances, for certain workloads, it works really well. And the last one is greener, which is more sustainable because we're all very concerned about our planet. And we want to make sure that with like turning your printers off, from things like that to the cloud, you're now not duplicating infrastructure which has more energy emission and so on and so forth. So again, to summarize, the answer is faster, better, cheaper, or greener. And out of those things that we say, take 2 out of 4. And if you do 2 out of 4, you're really, really good. And if you do more than that, wow! I mean, you're doing a superb job. So that is the promise of the cloud. I will say one last thing is that Brookings Institute has said that everything will go to a commodity-based service. So if you go into a commodity-based service, and they're saying that by 10 years, 80% of everything is going to be a commodity-based service, just like a utility, like a utility, right? And then on top of the utility, you just look at data or information. So to me, that is really the promise of what we're doing. So it's exciting, and like I said, the best way to predict the future is to invent it, and that's the benefit of going to the cloud.